There we go, got it started up. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy back at it again. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my Mustang 2018 GT base model. Pretty simple, got some few cosmetic stuff, nothing too crazy. But also, if you're new, we post a bunch of car stuff. So if you're into racing, if you're into just car cruise vlogs, just regular car vlogs, car installs, hey, join the fam. Subscribe, hit that button right below, right there. Join the fam. Come on, we growing slowly but surely. We're gonna get this channel someday big, hopefully. Yes, guys, but today I am back for another video. Today is not a racing video, it's not any car install video. Well, sort of like an install video, but I am actually taking my car to a shop to go get something done to it, cosmetic wise. I'll give you guys a hint. It's somewhere around in the front, so I think it's gonna look pretty killer. I seen some other Mustangs have it on Instagram and I really loved it, so I want to put it on my car. I have my appointment set at 2, so we got a little time. Probably am gonna go wash it because it is a little dirty, or maybe they will wash it there, I don't know. I'll probably just go give it a little rinse at the car wash right now. But yeah, guys, if you guys are tuning into this video, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam like I said. And if you guys haven't watched the most recent videos, very good racing videos, I will have them linked down below in the description if you guys are into all that. Subscribe, join the fam like I said. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna go do today. We're actually gonna go do something to the car. It is super hot right now, like it is hot out here today, so we're gonna go get that thing done to the car. We're probably gonna go give it a little wash, so let's go to the car wash and I'll pick you guys up. I hope this comes out dope, so yeah, let's get it. All right, guys, so we made it to the spot. Got my boy Gilbert with the baby Zilla stuff. We pulled up to my boy's shop so you guys can see. He's got some stuff in here. He's working on an SS. Check this out, guys. Sheesh. He's gonna fix this up because I guess that they didn't use very good vinyl, so he's gonna try to fix that up. This is actually his 5.0, and this is a little shop. Got a Tesla in there. Oh, yup.
And can I get the key?
Yeah. Let's see this one. There you go, man.
Thank you.
All right, boys, we got the 5.0 in there. It started working. I will have all their links in the description. Make sure to check them out. Clarity Auto Works. They do literally everything. So now we're going with the boys. Gonna go get some Dutch or what? Let's go get some Dutch while the car gets a little mod. So we'll be back in a little bit. All right, you guys, hold up. They got the whip right here. They got the thing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Yes, let's see. All right, you guys, look at this. Ooh. Added a little some to the black, to the front end. We got another 5.0 right there. Sheesh. This looks dope, bro. This looks dope.
It's the mosquito killer though, bro.
It's the mosquito killer though. I like it. I like it, bro.
Yeah, we shaved the license plate holes down a little bit.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I noticed that too, because before they were sticking out a lot more.
I didn't even notice, I'm not gonna lie.
Ooh.
So right now, I try to shave them down as much as I could.
I like it, man. I like it. Dope, dope.
I'm installing some carbon fiber parts on her.
Oh, okay. Dope. Sheesh, do we just pay inside right there, bro? Yeah, sounds good. And guys, look at this. And she got a lot of carbon. Whoa. Damn, look at these tires, bro. Let me see.
It's a real narrow or what?
Yes, sir. Bro, this carbon is popping.
Yeah, I have a carbon inside though, bro.
Damn. Look at the steering wheel too. Ooh. Dope.
Yeah, if you, I can show you. If you open this door right here, it's kind of hard to see.
Nice. Look at this, guys.
Where that door handle is right here, I just swapped this out with a carbon piece and this one as well.
Damn, guys, look at this.
Yeah, I already followed.
Nice.
Is this the new GT500?
Is it? Is it? I wish, bro. I wish.
Did you see that one we worked on?
Was it the blue one?
No, it was a red one.
Oh, the burgundy, like a ruby red, huh?
Gloss black roof, ceramic coated it, and clear brought the front end.
Oh, that's dope, dude. I gotta, bro, I'm telling them, my boys, that I need to get my thing like ceramic coated and like paint correct because I have a lot of swirls. So
yeah, if you need paint correction, I have a really good guy because I do ceramic coat on vinyl. So ceramic on vinyl, clear brought, stuff like that.
Okay.
Ceramic on paint, always get it corrected first.
Okay.
I have a really good guy. He's a little on the pricey side, but he's really good.
Really good.
High def details on Instagram.
Instagram, high def details.
Yeah,
all right.
His name's Rob, but it's high def details. He's
Local guy around here?
Yeah, like 15 minutes away. Rancho.
Oh, not bad, not bad.
Yeah.
Oh, for sure.
He's good.
Yeah, because like when I got it, like it already had, because it was a used car, so it wasn't new. So it already had a bunch of swirls, but now I feel like I got more. So I'm like, dude.
If you get this paint corrected and everything, bro, it has such good depth.
It's gonna look, oh, I bet. Yeah, I bet. And all washed up too. Even better, man. Hey, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Damn, guys, look at this. So we got that. Make sure you guys check them out. I'll have them all linked in the description, and I will get some footage for you guys later at night under like a gas station. I'm gonna probably just wash it up a little more, get some bugs, so then you guys can actually see. So yeah, let's do that. All right, guys, and just like that, it is nighttime, just how I promised you guys I was gonna pick up the video. And I'm actually picking up a little sneak peek right there. I'm actually picking up this video the next day because I had my appointment on Monday and I had it again today on Wednesday because they forgot to like make the lines a little higher than they were supposed to on Monday. So I'm gonna actually show you guys now. So this is what I got. As y'all guys can see, I got the whole gloss black right here, gloss black right here. And the first time, the reason why I went back again today, I scheduled another one on today because I got it Monday, so today's Wednesday, was because they started the lines like a little bit right here. And trust me, it wasn't bad or anything. I'm not trying to say anything bad about the shop or anything. They just started it right here. I honestly didn't even explain myself that good. I kind of just showed them a picture. So they started it right here, but I meant it like more up here so it gets a little more, like a little more gloss black all over here, you know, so get a whole view. And I think now it looks way much better. Let me know what you guys think. I really like this. Look at that front end right there. But yeah, guys, like I said, let me know what you guys think, because at first it's literally it's something a little different. It's like kind of like the GT500 type of style look, and that's what I kind of went for. But I was so used to the whole burgundy part that it's a little different for me, but it's kind of growing on me right now. On the lighting, it looks super good, and I think it just needed a wash, which I washed it today. So I think right now it's looking right. So watch, let me show you guys with the lights on. I think it looks pretty nice though. Did a pretty damn good job. So yeah, guys, so basically it's sort of like a little GT500 style like look. Just black out this part because it was before all burgundy, and then burgundy right here. So I mean, if you guys are interested in doing this, like, hey, you guys like it, I'm the test dummy right now. So I don't know. And like I was telling my friend, I don't know how I'm feeling. So if I feel like it's not growing on me for a long time, but it looks really good, but if it still doesn't grow on me for a little bit, in like a month or two, I don't think I'm gonna keep it. But I think it looks nice, so hopefully it does like grow on me eventually, because it does look pretty nice. I can't admit, I was just so used to the other thing, I feel like that's why. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. How you think the 5.0 is coming along? And I did order more little car part stuff coming in, so guys, stay tuned for those videos. It's gonna be lit. The car's gonna come along slowly but surely, but man, she looks good. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to make this short little video. If you guys are interested in wanting to like do a little sort of like a GT500 like conversion sort of, but not having to like buy a whole new grill or something, you guys can just wrap it sort of like this, like mine gloss black. And if you guys liked it, then go ahead, pull the trigger, why not? But yeah, if you guys are still tuning in, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam. If you guys are new to the channel, we post car videos, car racing videos, car vlogs, anything related to cars, car installs. So yeah, guys, join the fam. We're gonna grow one day. But yeah, I'll see you on the next time. Peace.